of me. I'm just going to be a handsome, so I'm not know what I'm doing. I cannot believe
There's
you told
Gigi's butt.
Excuse me?
Mother, you're in the way.
I can't believe you told Miss Lola you didn't think I knew how to change a baby.
No, she wanted to know if you knew how to change your baby.
I don't know.
But she does, doesn't she, Landon? See, Graham said that's exactly what she does.
So roll me over and show me. I can show you how I hold my head up.
Do you hold her head up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I saw what it is.
Now just let him roll over on his stomach, Mama. You don't have to have that. He'll hold it up.
Let's see that sublime position. Oh, look. That's so good.
He'll even get his knees up under him and try to scoot. See?
See?
There he goes.
Look at him.
He's trying. I say, pull me back before I get to the carpet.
Yay, Landon. See, I don't like laying down anymore.
We did Gramps' jazzercise this morning, didn't we?
Oh.
Did you see us doing it over
No, I didn't. What'd you do?
Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,